welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, and if you're here for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video has been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I also posted a poll on my Instagram wherein everybody wanted me to make such a video wherein I talk about this famous face pack that has been an ancient face pack. So your wish is my command. So today I want to talk about this readily available ingredients face pack which you can easily find in your kitchen shelves, and you can definitely come up with a face pack that is going to be a game changer for you all. I'm not just saying this only for the sake of saying it, but I've tried it myself, experimented it on my skin, and I have seen realistic results. That's why I can assure you that you are going to see the results, exclamation. I show you the pictures. I have seen results on my skin. I'm still I think with prolonged use, I think it's gonna clear up all my acne. So the face pack that I'm talking about is a turmeric, gram flour or chickpea flour face pack, which is a famous haldi besan face pack. When you talk about the benefits of besan haldi face pack, it is, I cannot count it on my fingers, it is endless. It helps you in giving glow on your skin, giving a radiant texture to your skin, definitely helps fighting acne on your skin. It helps to reduce the oiliness. It's a great detan, it's a great exfoliator, it's a great epilator to get rid of facial hair and whatnot. Now I have been using this face pack for I think around 3 weeks or so, and I have seen drastic results on my face. If you use this face pack, I am telling you, you guys are gonna love it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So for this face pack, you will need 1 tablespoon of gram flour or chickpea flour or besan, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder or haldi, just making sure that you don't add a lot of it only because it can stain your face. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of curd and a few drops of lemon. After all this, you're going to give it a really good mix and making sure that there are no lumps in it. Now with clean hands on your clean face, you want to apply generous amount of this face pack, really nice all over the area, also covering your neck. And then lastly, you want to let it dry, which might take up to good 15 to 20 minutes.
So I just washed my face. I used my fingers in circular motion to kind of exfoliate and then take it off from my skin with cold water, and then afterwards I used a clean nice towel to kind of pat dry my face. You will definitely see the results with 1 or 2 uses. If you have oily skin, you can use this face pack 4 to 5 times a week, and if you have more of a dry skin, then I would recommend using it like 1 or 2 times a week. So what are you waiting for? Rush to your kitchen shelves right now, make this face pack and go for it. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, share and comment on my video, and I'll see you guys really soon next week. Bye.